Hey, you guys remember when I was doing in class the university class, and I had to do some surveys with you and stuff about how you felt about video learning and all of that? Well, I want to show you this because we're going to do the second part of our graphing project today, and I want you to see why it's important, why how you can use this later on, right? It's super easy. Check this out. I asked you guys how you felt about video learning. Um, and then we did a bunch of video learning and a bunch of Ed Puzzle stuff. And then I asked you again how you liked it to see if what you said the first time was different than what you said the second time, to see if you liked it better or liked it worse after we did it. So here's all the numbers from that. And I used secret student numbers on the side because I didn't want to say anybody's name. So everybody's secret here. But these are all the things that you said. But if I show this to my professor and say, see, he's going to go, oh, that's hard to understand. So what I did was I took all these numbers, bloop, 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 and I turned them into graphs so I could see your attitude change. The red is the people who liked it worse after we did it, and the blue is people who liked it better after we did it. The graph shows that a lot more people grew and liked it better than before. Here's a different graph that shows it too. Look at all this. Like when you guys said I like grammar, 7% of you liked it less afterwards, and 36% of you liked grammar more after we did the Ed Puzzle stuff and the video learning. So this graph makes it super visual. We can totally see that more of you had a better attitude about grammar and video lessons after we did the unit than before. That's why graphs are great, because they take boring numbers and they put it into something where we can just look at it and right away we have an idea, or very easily we have an idea. All right, so let's make a graph. Yesterday you guys made a graph with your San Francisco population stuff, right? So let's check it and see if the computer makes a graph that looks just like yours. We're going to kind of check to see how your work came out. All right, so let's look at this right here. I put fake numbers here. Please don't copy these numbers. I put fake ones because I want you to make the real graph and compare it. I'm going to make one that's different. I just changed all these numbers right here. So use the original San Francisco population numbers from Classroom to do this. Step 1, open Google Sheets and make a new sheet. Step 2, actually, you know what? I will give you a blank sheet that you can write on in this assignment in Classroom. All right, you'll find it right here. Step 2, put the titles fecha y población. And then step 3, copy all the years from the document and copy all the populations that go with each year. All right, once you have that, I'm going to show you on the iPad now because it's a little different on the iPad. So let me switch over to my iPad screen if I can. Boom. All right, here's my iPad screen. Now, what you're going to do is once you have that, all those numbers in there like this, you're going to go up to the top here. Actually, you're going to select these. So come over here and grab the little leg and pull this down. Select all the information from those two columns, just the cells you wrote in. Then you're going to go up top to the plus up here on the right top. Click plus, and you're going to add a chart. See where it says chart? Pick chart. And there's my chart for my fake population numbers, right? In my city, it went down and then whoa, something happened. It went way up and then it went down again and down again. All right. Now we can change the type of chart over here on the side. We do want a line chart because none of these other charts make sense. Like this doesn't really show us very well. We're going to use a line chart. So the first one was right on type. Let me go back to the menu. But what I do want to change is I want to change the title. And so click on title, and I'm going to change my chart title to Población de San Francisco. Población con el tilde sobre la O, población de San Francisco, con mayúscula, por favor. Población de San Francisco. Lo escribí mal. Ahí está. Ok. Ya cambié el título. Y cuando terminas, mira que tiene una palomita verde aquí a mano izquierda. Van a tocar eso. Y ahora tengo mi gráfica. Y se puede mover. Just click on it and you can resize it. You can move it. So find where you want to put it. I'm going to put it right here next to my information. So put it someplace where it makes sense like this. And now you can turn this into me. All right? So check it and compare it to your drawing and see if your drawing matches the data the way the computer generated it. All right? All right, kiddos. Finish this, turn it into me. Have a good day.